your goal is to get licensed in New Mexico and you're wondering where to start, you're in the right place. I am Jane Monis, a consultant at FACTSPTORG, where we simplify the journey for foreign-trained physical therapists looking to practice in the United States. In this video, I'll break down the exact steps to turn your international training into a New Mexico PT license. We'll cover credential evaluations, exams, and everything you need to meet New Mexico's state requirements. So stick around, and by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to move one step closer to your dream of practicing as a licensed PT in New Mexico. So let's get started. Your first step will be educational credential review, which means that you'll need to verify that your physical therapy education is equivalent to US standards. New Mexico requires a Type 1 evaluation from an approved agency such as FCCPT or CGFNS. This ensures that your coursework and clinical experience match the requirements of a US-based program. Now, once your credentials are evaluated, you will know if additional clinical training or additional courses are needed. But don't stress, because FACTSPTORG can find all the information you need for this through our post-evaluation services. Step 2 is obtaining official transcript from your educational training translated into English, which must have the institution seal or watermark and signatures. They can be emailed directly from the school or they can be mailed to the board offices. The third step is English proficiency. Now, if your primary language is not English, you will need to prove proficiency by taking the TOEFL exam and meeting the minimum requirements that are set by the New Mexico Physical Therapy Board, which is minimum score of 63 for composite of reading comprehension, listening comprehension, and writing, and a minimum score of 26 is needed in the speaking section. FACTSPTORG offers you all the resources that you need to study for TOEFL. Coming to the step 4. Step 4 is to provide proof of employment from your last or current employer within the field of practice or a current offer letter from a New Mexico company. Step 5 is to fill out the application form found on the New Mexico PT Board website, and also you have to complete a background check. Now, sixth and most crucial step will be to pass the National Physical Therapy exam, which is the NPTE. This exam assesses your knowledge and skills to practice safely and effectively. Remember that you must complete your credential evaluation before registering for the NPTE. In New Mexico, you will also need to pass a Jurisprudence exam that covers the state's laws and regulations for physical therapists. Now, the entire process can take several months, so stay organized and proactive, which is very important. Getting licensed as a PT in New Mexico may seem very complex, but with the right preparation and guidance, you can achieve your goals. Remember that we at FACTSPTORG will be your partners at every step to make this journey easier for you.